The latest we're tracking currently, a major political storm seems to be brewing within the India alliance over the title of Jan Nayak. After Congress called Rahul Gandhi the Jan Nayak and RJD threw their weight behind Tejashwi Yadav, the Samajwadi Party has now entered the fray, asserting that Akhilesh Yadav alone holds that mantle. The Samajwadi Party has firmly pushed back against Congress's unilateral claim of Rahul Gandhi as the Jan Nayak, stressing that such a decision must be collective within the India alliance. Listen in to the latest coming in from the Samajwadi Party. We've got a reaction from Ravidas Mehrotra lined up for you.
कि इंडिया गठबंधन के तमाम दल उसमें शामिल हैं, वो सब लोग निर्णय करेंगे। किसी एक पार्टी को, अपने नेता को ये कहने का वो नहीं है। हम लोग ये कहते हैं कि अखिलेश यादव जननायक है।
My colleague Ranveer has been tracking the latest for us. Ranveer joins us live currently. Ranveer, what is the message that the Samajwadi Party is trying to send by publicly asserting that Akhilesh Yadav is the real Jan Nayak?
This is going to be tough for India Alliance because Jan Nayak is a title used for Karpuri Thakur, the OBC face, the biggest OBC face of Bihar party. Few days back, we saw Prime Minister Narendra Modi was in Samastipur, visited Karpuri Thakur's residence, met the relatives and the family members of Karpuri Thakur, and now the rift in India Alliance is over the title of Jan Nayak. Rahul Gandhi, Congress leaders use the term Jan Nayak for Rahul Gandhi, but not the Samajwadi Party, the third biggest party in Lok Sabha. They are saying that who has decided to give the title of Jan Nayak to Rahul Gandhi? So this is going to be as far as Bihar election is concerned, because Samajwadi Party is not directly fighting the assembly elections in Bihar, but Samajwadi Party is a big partner in India Alliance, and Akhilesh Yadav will be in Bihar. Tomorrow Rahul Gandhi will be in Bihar. He will campaign in Bihar with Tejashwi Yadav. So just before Rahul Gandhi's arrival in Bihar, Samajwadi Party's attack on Rahul Gandhi and Congress Party is going to be a big tussle, and definitely we'll expect that BJP will hit over India Alliance and especially Congress and Samajwadi Party, because the title Jan Nayak is going to be an issue of differences between Samajwadi Party. So this is going to be very interesting, and this is going to be very big as far as Bihar elections are concerned.
Indeed, as always, Ranveer, thank you so much for contextualizing the latest details that have emerged. In fact, joining us on behalf of the Samajwadi Party is Ravidas Mehrotra. You've just heard Ravidas Mehrotra's reaction a few moments ago. He now joins us live currently on NDTV. Mr. Mehrotra, thank you so much for your time. Tell us, on what basis is your party asserting that Akhilesh Yadav is the true Jan Nayak?
हम लोग बहुत पहले से ये बात कहते हैं कि अखिलेश यादव जन नायक हैं, और किसी भी पार्टी के नेताओं को, विधायकों को ये अधिकार है कि वो अपने नेता को जन नायक कहे। तो अखिलेश यादव जी को हम लोग बहुत पहले जन नायक कहते हैं, और जो है वो लगातार संघर्ष करके संघर्षों की कोख से समाजवादी पार्टी बनी है। तो हम लोगों ने बहुत संघर्ष किए हैं। मैं स्वयं खुद 250 बार जेल में गया हूँ, और जनता के मुद्दों को लेकर, जन समस्याओं को लेकर के जन संघर्ष करने का काम किया है, और हम लोग बहुत पहले से ये कहते हैं अखिलेश यादव जन नायक है।
Right. In fact, joining us on behalf of the BJP, we have Anila Singh currently. Ms. Singh, the Samajwadi Party is asserting that historically they've been making the case that Akhilesh Yadav is the true Jan Nayak. Tejashwi Yadav is laying stake to that title. So is Rahul Gandhi through that post that we've seen by the Congress handle just yesterday. What do you have to say by all these members within the India Alliance rushing to claim that title, knowing that the BJP has been cashing in on the legacy as well as far as the political battleground of Bihar is concerned?
My Ram to all. और व्यक्तिगत रूप से मैं रविदास मल्होत्रा जी का सम्मान करती हूँ। एक बहुत ही वरिष्ठ नेता हैं समाजवादी पार्टी के लिए, and just now he mentioned that for 250 times he had gone to jail. This is nothing new about Samajwadi Party workers. Jail is the second home. Because we cannot forget, during the tenure of Mulayam Singh Yadav ji, during the tenure of Akhilesh Yadav ji, how rampantly crime and corruption was prevailing in Uttar Pradesh. Now, if we talk about Akhilesh Yadav ji, we talk about Rahul Gandhi ji, or we talk about Tejasvi ji, they are being called Jan Nayak by their workers. They are not Jan Nayak, they are Khal Nayak. If they have to understand that what is the meaning of Nayak, then they should read the biography or the autobiographies of the great leaders from the Bharatiya Janata Party or the people connected with the Sangh. Then they will understand what Nayak is. Our great freedom fighters, they will understand that what Nayak is. So if somebody calls Akhilesh Yadav as Nayak, I pity that mindset, because he is not Nayak, he had been Khalnayak for Uttar Pradesh. And same goes for the Tejasvi, yet he has to prove. He got the power in the platter because of his father. Same goes with the Rahul Gandhi. What these people have done for the nation, for the country or for the state. At least Mr. Akhilesh Yadav had been Chief Minister and he has shown that what caliber he has. And people of Uttar Pradesh rejected him, not only in assemblies, but in Lok Sabha elections as well. So Khalnayaks had been voted out from Uttar Pradesh, and they had been voted out from Bihar, and they will be voted out from Bihar once again.
Many question your party as well, that you're justifying calling others Jungle Raj when your own allies in states like Bihar were part of that very ecosystem. We'll of course wait and see how this entire political firestorm settles, whether it settles at all. But it seems to have erupted in Bihar. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us on behalf of the BJP.